Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, if you want to add a countdown timer on your WordPress website just like this, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you the easiest way to do this on your WordPress website step by step easily. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe for more such useful videos. Now, in order to add a countdown timer on your WordPress website, you need to simply install a plugin, which is the Elementor's add-on. If you are having a Elementor Pro version, then the countdown timer is by default, inbuilt in that. But it is, since most of the websites are not having Elementor Pro as compulsorily because it is a premium version and there is a charge for it. So if you are using only Elementor free version and if you want to achieve this functionality for free, then there is a plugin called Royal Elementor add-ons. So when you search this in your search box, you will see the plugin that is Royal Elementor add-ons and template. Just install this plugin, and once installation is done, then you need to simply activate the plugin. So that is the step number one. Now step number two is to configure this plugin. So first time when you use this, so you can just skip this step as of now. And now if you see, there are multiple templates and there are multiple add-ons which are already added in your WordPress Elementor dashboard. So you can see there are multiple plugins, multiple widgets, and most of the widgets are by default switched on. Now how to use this on your WordPress website? So come back to your page. Now, of course, the Elementor page builder is compulsory for this plugin because this is the add-on for Elementor only. So click on edit with Elementor. And now whenever you want to use page widget, this widget on your page, you just simply need to add a section or a column for this. So let me just zoom out a little bit so that I can show you better. Let's say here. So you can add it anywhere. So you can just search for countdown. You can just search for countdown, and now if you see, there is a R symbol which says that it is a Royal add-on widget. So just drag and drop it here anywhere and you can see the countdown is there. Now you can customize the countdown. So for example, here if you say predefined style, so there are some predefined styles like this: countdown version 1, version 2, version 3, and all these versions are absolutely free. So let's say I want to use it, so I'll click on insert, and once I click on insert, the the basic countdown timer has been changed into a predefined style. Of course, you can do some other changes as well. So for example, type, there are two options: due date and evergreen. Due date means you want to use this timer backwards, so you can set a deadline. Let's say some offer is ending soon or some coupon code is expiring soon, so you can set a due date. So for example, if I set a due date of, let's say, 31st, maybe in the midnight, so 11:59 is something when my offer is expiring. So it will now start in the reverse order. So 23 days left and 5 hours late, something like that. Then it says content. If you see content, show days. If you don't want to show days, you can switch it off. Now it will show you only the hours, but of course if it is more than one day, then you need to show it. Then accordingly you can hide seconds, minutes, or hours depending on your requirement. If you want to hide on labels like how many days or something, but you should not do that. Display block or inline, so there you can change like this way. Day, you can change the label in terms of day, days, hours, right? Show separator, if you want to show the separator like this dot, then you can do that. Expire action, once it is done, once the timer is gone, then what you need to do is you need to hide the timer, you need to hide the element, display some message, redirect it, or load a template. So you can do that accordingly as per your choice. Request new feature, of course, this is something which you can submit, and there are pro features as well. But if your objective is just to add a timer, you can simply do it. And of course, you can do the changes in terms of some style CSS, in terms of some content, in terms of padding, margin, width, height, layout. All you can do if you are using already Elementor. You might be aware about these steps. So that's how you can add the timer in your WordPress website easily without any problem, and you can use it without having Elementor Pro, which is a paid version. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.